Hey there! Want to keep your phone number private when you make calls from your iPhone? No worries, I'm here to show you how to easily hide your caller ID. Whether you want to hide it for all your calls or just a few specific ones, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Hide caller ID for all calls. Open Settings, then scroll down. Next, tap Phone. After that, find and tap on Show My Caller ID. Toggle off Show My Caller ID. Now, your phone number will be hidden whenever you make calls. Solution 2. Hide caller ID for specific calls. Open the phone app, then tap the dialer keypad. Enter #31# followed by the phone number you want to call. After that, your phone number will be hidden just for this call. And that's it! Your caller ID is now hidden according to your preference. If you run into any problems or have questions, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.